Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, GURMEET Kaur, here, going to present my research work in the field of soft computing techniques for software fault prediction as a comparative study. In this manuscript, I draw the comparison of various soft computing techniques like FIS, NFIS, ANN-based model to predict the fault in the software for same data set by various researchers. So first of all, I am sharing the content of my work, that is introduction, literature review, overview of soft computing techniques, results and discussion, conclusion and references. In introduction, first of all, we all know a software fault prediction always offer benefits in the term of complexity, low cost, budget, testing efforts, and increase the reliability along with the quality of the software as if it is applied at the starting phase of the traditional as well as agile-based software development life cycle. There are the various soft computing techniques like Bayesian, fuzzy logic, system machine learning, neurofuzzy, artificial neural networks, and adaptive neurofuzzy system, that is NFIS, that are employed for the software fault predictions. And the aim of this research paper is the comparison of the performance of different soft computing modeling like Bayesian, fuzzy logic, and NFIS based models for SFP framework. The comparative studies performed on the data set from the promise repository and the outcome of the various soft computing methodologies based model has been compared here. Next is the soft computing overview about the soft computing. Before this, I want to share some literature. This comparative study is predicated to provide a comprehensive picture in the area of software fault prediction administered by many researchers using various soft computing techniques, and the study includes comparative analysis of soft computing techniques based on models developed by Fenton, by Pandey and Goyal, Jadhav, Sharma for the software fault prediction. And in addition to these, there are some another who work well in this field are the Chatterjee and Maji planned a model to arrive at the object assessment. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, ma'am. Sir, I think picture data is not visible.
You have internet issue. You can just proceed.
Yeah, sir. Okay. So during the initial development of programming life cycle and to anticipate the total number of faults, and then Bulgania performed near investigation of anticipated for different kind of ANN. Based on feed-forward backpropagation network and element neural network. And then Kapil Juneja proposed a system using inter-version and inter-project assessment to recognize the product defect. Wait, sir, just a minute.
Hello.
Yes, I am here, sir. Just wait for 1 minute.
You have 2 minutes more to conclude because your time is over.
Okay, sir. Just resuming back. So next is the soft computing technique. In this, we have a Bayesian network. Bayesian network is composed of mainly directed acyclic graph and probability distribution, and it can be. I'm showing here a simple network of this, which describes that. When both the node have the 1 1 value, consider a simple network in which node A and B and S are represent the event fuel, battery life, and vehicle move respectively, and it is assumed that all the probabilities value, if are 1, only then vehicle will be moved. That means if A is 1, B is 1, then there is the probability that 99.5% vehicle will be moved. This is the one of the our soft computing technique. Then second one is the fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is launched by 1965, and these are the imprecise number, not exact number, and derived from crypt set, and it is composed of 4 phases: fuzzification, knowledge base, fuzzy inference system, and then defuzzification. And after this we have fuzzification, fuzzy rule. In fuzzy rules, we are designing our model using the rules. And third technique is the ANFIS. ANFIS is the adaptive neuro-fuzzy inference system. That is the architecture which provides the general way to employ our training method to a fuzzy inference system to present it in the architecture like ANN. And robustness and fastness convergence is the key success of ANFIS.
And jump to your findings and results.
Yes. Sir, I am.
You have 2 minutes to conclude.
Yeah, okay, sir. In order to compare the performance of the software models using soft computing methodology, a data set will be used here. I am just showing the data set using these 22 projects with their size and actual defect. I collected the data from these different researcher, Fenton, Pandey, Yadav, and Sharma's, and find out their findings, and after collecting their findings, we elaborate the final results, that we compare the accuracy of software fault prediction models using analytical measures, MMRE, BMMRE, RMSE, NRMSE. And from these, we conclude that the Sharma's model based on ANFIS shows only 0.3% NRMSE, that is more accurate. That means implementation of software fault prediction models using ANFIS is better as compared to FIS or Bayesian network techniques. In last slide, we also try to figure out using graph that it is remarked from the performance measure that P. Sharma and A.L. Sengel's ANFIS-based model present the better fault prediction capability in contrast with Fenton Bayesian net-based model, Pandey's, Goel, and Jadav's FIS-based model. So this is all about my work that I have do and present here.
Thank you very much for